Top 5 investing tips from famous financial gurus. Start investing smarter. Get exclusive tools now. Link in bio. Warren Buffett. Invest in what you understand. Only invest in business you can clearly understand. Avoid complicated industries or companies with unclear business models. Stick to your circle of competence. Understanding a business helps you make rational decisions, especially during market drops. Example: Buffett has famously avoided tech stocks he doesn't understand, focusing instead on companies like Coca-Cola and Apple once he understood it better. Benjamin Graham. Buy with a margin of safety. Always aim to buy stocks at prices below their intrinsic value. This creates a margin of safety in case your analysis isn't perfect. Focus on undervalued companies with strong balance sheets and earnings stability. Don't follow market hype. Look for hidden value. Graham's principle helps minimize loss and maximize long-term gain. Peter Lynch. Know what you own and why. Understand the company's product, customers, and growth potential. Don't buy a stock just because someone else recommends it. Can't explain in one sentence why you bought a stock? Don't buy it. Use your personal knowledge. Invest in industries or companies you encounter in real life. Think like a business owner, not a gambler. Ray Dalio. Diversify your portfolio. Never rely on a single asset class or market. Spread investments across different sectors and regions. Use uncorrelated assets to balance risk, e.g., stocks, bonds, real estate. Diversification reduces the chance of total loss. Dalio's all-weather portfolio is a classic example of strategic diversification. Charlie Munger. Be patient and think long-term. Great investments take time to grow. Avoid short-term thinking. Let compounding work in your favor by holding quality stocks for years. Don't get distracted by daily market noise or volatility. Avoid frequent trading. Focus on big, wise decisions. Sit on your hands when needed. Patience is a competitive advantage. Start investing smarter. Get exclusive tools now. Link in bio.